Dear students, this is the next unit. It is CNC part programming. So, part programming, or first of all, program is a set of encoded information giving coordinate values and other details to indicate how a tool should be moved in relation to a workpiece in order to achieve a desired machining form. So, program consists or contains all the informations of a machining component, which becomes as an input to CNC system. So, is of course extensively used by manufacturers to develop an instruction with the help of programming. The entire process begins with the programmer evaluating the sequence of events necessary to make a part or a product. This is just introduction. So, part programming in the sense a program which is written for a particular component or the part in the sense job, workpiece you can call it here. So, the program is prepared by listing the coordinate values of the entire tool parts as suited to machine the complete component. So that coordinate values like say coordinate axis x comma y comma z means x y z in the three directions. So that system you can call it as a coordinate system. So nearly all CNC machine uses this coordinate system, which uses x, y, z axis, and it is also called as a Cartesian coordinate system. So here the coordinate system convention you can take here the three directions as it is mentioned x, y and z. So this can be compared to the right hand thumb rule as a you can say all the three showing all the three directions. So in the right side you can see here the numbers how they are accordingly in the directions in the x or y directions how they are related. So left of the 0 are treated as a negative values or negative direction, and right of the 0 are treated as a positive directions. So this combines these three directions x, y, z combines in a 90-degree angle, and it presents as a three-dimensional space for the CNC machine to move around in. So the here actually these coordinates is used for locating any point on any drawing or machine part along three mutually perpendicular axes, that is x, y, z, and with these mutually perpendicular three axes there are the four quadrants, or they may be divided into four quadrants. giving number as 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see in the diagram here. So these quadrants are numbered as from 1 to 4, as you can see here. So machine coordinate system is described based on the Cartesian system. That is Cartesian coordinate system. So it specifies each point uniquely in a plane by a pair of numerical coordinates, which are the signed distances to the point from two fixed perpendicular directed lines measured in the same unit of length. Each reference line is called as coordinate axis or axis, and the point where they meet is at its origin, that is at 0, 0. So the machine say view you can see here in this for lathe as well as the milling say machines. The axis you can observe here. This left one is the turning or lathe, and the another right side is the milling machine. So the notations x and direction, y direction and z direction, all the three can be seen here in the milling machine. Whereas in case of say turning, you can observe here only two axes are considered, that is x and the z. One direction positive and the another direction is a negative. So in the z direction, that means the cutting tool which is moving near to the workpiece or the job or towards the check, then that is taken as a negative minus z. Whereas if it moves away from the workpiece or the check of the lathe machine, then it is positive. Accordingly, the perpendicular to this z, x direction is considered. This is how you can say the axis directions for the uh, CNC turning and milling machines.